so this is my hair freshly washed. I'm not sure if you can really see the texture. But yeah, as you can see, this is my hair, freshly washed, a little bit dried. I did put some conditioner, some leave-in conditioner in there, and I'm gonna go in with my clip-ins. Now, my hair is a little bit, my curl pattern is a little bit tighter than the clip-ins, so I'm gonna be showing you my first impressions. So I'm taking one of the 3 pieces, and I'm clipping that in the back. Because my hair is quite short, there isn't much I'm gonna have to do to it. So now I'm just parting the back of my hair. I'm not too fussed about how straight it is. I'm just making a part. I then go in with my clip-ins, clip that down, and then I go in with some water just to actually help loosen and activate the curls. And then to set it, I go in with the Eco Styler and just kind of rake that through the hair so that it gives the hair some shine, but mostly definition. And then I just keep on repeating the step as I go up. I think with this hair there were about like 11 pieces, and it's a very, very full head. It almost feels like 2 packs of weave, if not 2.5. Like, it is thick, so you don't have to worry. I'm not even sure if I used all the clip-ins because that's just how much hair there was. And honestly, I'm looking at myself right now and I'm just thinking, how on earth did I finish this? Because my hair is so short, so short. But you know, that's the beauty of black hair. We make it do what it do, we make it work, and you will never know. I do think that the curl pattern in comparison to my hair was a little bit different. The thing is, my hair is a bit funny, so like when it's slicked, it's definitely a 3C. But when it is just down, I kind of saw from here that it's more on the 3C 4A. But you know, that's the beauty of trying hair products. You kind of figure out what works and what doesn't. The clip-ins are really heavy duty as well, but you will find that when you are positioning them, you might have to move them around because you know your hair's wet, so they may slip, but for the most part they do stay pretty secure. I barely ever have to really touch them up, if I'm honest. I have actually gone to sleep with these, and I have actually washed these or showered and washed my hair with these in and just touched up the leave out bit. But yeah, these were my first time installing them. You might play around with them a little bit. I tend to start with the shorter clips, so the ones with fewer clips, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, and then I go shorter or smaller again. So then 3, 3, 2, that kind of thing as I get to the top of my head, because you're trying to cover the area. So at the back of your head, you know, width to width or side to side, there's not a lot of hair. But then as you go up in the middle, obviously it goes round almost from ear to ear. And then as you get to the top where your parting is, you don't need as many or as such a large clip. So that's all I can really advise. Obviously, I'm showing it as I'm talking with this voiceover, so hopefully the visual helps to explain what I'm trying to kind of explain more. But if not, you know me. Feel free to leave a comment down below in the description. Description, girl. Shantell, where's your head? Feel free to leave a comment down in the comment box, period. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, I'm just going to stop rambling from here on out and kind of let you watch. Yeah. This is also just one way of installing your clip-ins. There are many other methods. You know, some people braid their hair down like you would for a traditional sew-in and then just clip the hair onto the sew-ins. I think I'm going to start doing that now that my hair is a little bit longer. because just putting product all through my hair, one, is kind of time consuming, and two, all my hair doesn't need to be out like that. So yeah, but yeah, there's just loads of different ways. Again, that's the beauty of it. So I guess it's finding what works for you and what you like. This is actually a technique I've seen on a few YouTubers. So essentially what you're doing is you're getting the ends of your hair and taking a piece of the weave, or clip-in should I say rather, and twisting them. So you're kind of intertwining them or locking them in together so that there's a seamless finish and you can't really distinguish where your hair finishes and where the tracks are, if that makes sense. So it's just a nice way to, you know, combine the two and kind of give you a nice finish. So here I'm just showing you the finished look. I actually didn't really like it in the middle part, so you're actually going to see me flip it quickly and move just a couple of the top clip-ins over to replicate a side part, which really didn't take me long. So I'm just going to show you that, and then yeah, that was kind of like the final style. I much prefer this because I don't know what was going on, but that middle part was just a no. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna come back once it has, just to show you the finished look. Right, so this is what the hair looks like dried. I'm in love, and hopefully you're in love too. So adios, I shall see you in the next video.